Hey guys, Johnny with the Pickle Man Forge. This will be the first video of the series. Light the coal forge. So I set some paper towel down and some toilet paper rolls. We all use them. At least I hope we do. It's probably best to use newspaper, but I don't read the paper, so this is what I use. I already have it lit. Put it in the forge. Turn the air on. Kind of scrape all the coal into it, and eventually you'll have a fire. It might take a minute or two, depending, but it'll light. Turn the air on. You don't need a lot at first. Go ahead and scoop some coal down to the center, down on top. Don't burn yourself. Put it right on top of the fire. If you got one, use your coal rake. They're easy to make. Just take a piece of bar or a round stock, whatever you got. Just flatten it down and turn it. You rake your coal. You can break it up if you want to get some of that smoke out. You don't really need a big fire when you're working on a big project, so I'm not working on anything big, so you can scoop some out. As you can see, coal fire is very smoky at first. It's that green coal smoking. Scoop something out of there. And once that coal coats up, you should be good with the smoke. And then take your green coal that you already got in the coal in the forge. Scoop it up next to it so it cooks. So it burns down in the coal. Well, not burns, but cooks down in the coal. Where'd they go? Got a fire. It's that easy. So, appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for the next one.